Mieri na kuma bururi wa Ngeretha wekirira raia Kenya mukana wa guceera bururi-ini ucio kumana na kuongerereka kwa murimu wa COVID-19. Riu hari na kamweneni thuthu wa thirikari ya Ngeretha kuuga niirathuthuria makinya maria Kenya itacukitie kurana na murimu wa COVID-19 niguo mone kana mukana uyu ni kweherio. Kuringana na baruthi wa Ngeretha guku bururi-ini Jane Marriott, mĩario gatagati-ini ka bururi wa Kenya na Ngeretha no irathie na mbere ona gutuika bururi no muhaka wongerere uthuthuria makiria wa ithimi cia mororo ma COVID-19 undu umwe na uheani wa njanjo kuri muingi niguo Kenya yeherio ithabu-ini ria mabururi 64 maria mekirirwo mukana.
We're reviewing the red list all the time, and I hope that Kenya will come off before too long. One of the challenges here is that we still have the beta variant. It's a minority variant here because Delta is stronger, so eventually Delta will be the dominant strand here. But the more vaccines you have, the more genomic sequencing you have, the easier it is to get off the red list.
Gukinyaniria na riu bururi wa Kenya wamukirite njanjo 817 iria ni muthemba wa AstraZeneca kuma Ngeretha. Baruthi wa bururi uyu akiuga ni maguthie na mbere na kunyitanira na bururi wa Kenya hari kuhukia murimu wa COVID-19.
The UK is working in partnership with the Kenyan government to increase genomic sequencing, i.e. what type of virus is it? Is it beta, is it delta, is it a new one that no one's heard of yet? Then we'll all have much more confidence together about how we manage COVID and hopefully coming off the red list.
Maya mokite uriri bururi wa Amerika uritie raia yake aria mari na mibango ya guceera guku bururi-ini mecirie keri mbere ya mohete thabari kumana na kuongerereka kwa gikiro kia ugwatania undu umwe na namba ya arwaru guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Ndeto ni Wanjiru wa Foro.
Moja kwa mwingine